What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is me, anyways, by name, and I'm young forex trader, still growing, and I want to share the trades I traded against, like, during NFP news. So I would like to show you some trades, my chart analysis, and how the market went. Maybe it's against me or it's in favor of me. Well, stay tuned to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please, or if you are part of this channel and watching my videos, even though I've been posting so many videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this year I'm actually trading my 5k prop account, and I will be trying in 2024. That's a goal for me to scale up to $200,000 prop firm out of account, if you understand. So I want you to click that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you get content back to back against my YouTube, against trades and everything I do. Thank you. Now let's head straight to the chart. Okay, all right, now I'm scaling down back to the 4-hour time frame. Like I said, according to my analysis, I trade just pure price action, no string attached. So now I do my analysis from the 4-hour time frame down to the 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes. So now I am now on the 4-hour time frame. I'm good. So now looking at this 4-hour time frame, if you can see, you see something like a trend line there, making this chart more visible, like a trend line for us here. Now you can see that the trend line has been broken and retested against this support. You get, so it has broken and tested against the support. And now if you take a look at something, before this trend line was broken, you already have something like a head and shoulders, an inverted head and shoulder, giving us that sign that price is about to change the trend. You understand? Now price has tended to change the trend. Now against changing the trend, you can now see that price has tapped the previous resistance, turning to support now here again. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, let me remove this. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see the structure of the market. The structure of the market is higher highs and higher lows. You can see this is a high, this is another low. Now if you are using this part, you see something like this. Again, you see something like this. Now you can see something like this. Now you can see again forming a double bottom, then pushing further up again after touching this support, giving me that level of support after pushing up. This trade happened yesterday. So now against today, which is the NFP, let me clear the part I drew. Now going back to the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, now you can see, now the reason why I took this trade, I was anticipating for the buy to happen according to my analysis, is because now the price has been ranging since morning. Even since morning, price has been ranging. So I have this relevant support here, and I draw a fib from here to here. You understand? So a fib from here to this level here, giving me this 38.2% level. And now I'm anticipating two point of interest of areas. Now you understand. Now I'm anticipating the 50% fib level or the 38.2%, in the sense that price might actually do what? Let me remove this separate these lines. Now price might actually do what in this place? Price might do what? Might touch this place here and react and push back up. Now what I'm expecting here is either a breakout to the downside or a breakout to the upside. Now more clear and more anticipating a breakout to the upside. If a breakout should happen to the upside, that means according to the news, and they say in the news, if you check fast bull in the news here, they're talking about this non-farm payroll. So let the price load. I want to show you something. So now you see what I'm talking about now. So now you see we have this previous forecast. Let's load coming. You understand, according to the price, within 7 minutes we'll be having our trade. You understand? So within 7 minutes now, trade the news will come out and we will know what the price is going to do. So Now the previous you have 216k. That was the previous. That was what happened. That was around maybe last month or last 2 months. That was December. So now we have this forecast 180k. You understand? So 180k simply means if the price should drop. Now the actual now is now what, 216. So the forecast that they predicted is 160. That means if price should drop, you understand, if price should drop, if the digit should drop on you against USD, against US non-farm payroll, if it should drop, you will see that gold is going to go bullish. And if it is stronger, if if it's have higher percentage of number, to that's 216, have around maybe like 217, 218, 219, 220 upward, USD will be strong and gold will drop. You understand? But now looking at this my analysis here, if you go back, looking at this my analysis now, price might actually do what, tap here and reject, because it's in the range zone now. So we don't know anything can happen in the range. Anything can happen in the range. But looking at this thing that I've turned to support, turned to a bullish market structure. Now I'm seeing something like, if anything should happen here, if it should break out, following this volume profile here, marking out the support of 50% fib, making that confluences. Now it should go back down and do what, retrace back up against the news. You understand? But if at all price drops in the first instance and retrace back here again, so I'm anticipating the buy to go long, to go more long. You understand? So now all we have to do now is just to wait and set a buy stop at this level, that is 2058 and 2058 on 729. So probably anything can happen, and you just wait for the news to play out. If it does not hit our buy stop, fine. If it goes down, fine. And if it goes up, fine. You know you're in profit. And if it goes down, you did not lose anything. So you're done for the day and for the week entirely. So now we just try to wait and see what is going to happen. You understand? So now let us wait and see. I'll give you the results after this. Now guys, so back to the news. This is the result of the news. So I'm neither in break even nor did I lost any trade. So this week I'm done. So definitely this week I just traded only once. I traded once this week, so nothing much like that. And this week is, I'm out. I was not stopped out, then that was I, in profit in there. So I'm break even, just intra. So you just wait for next week. Now you can see what happened on gold. Let me take back to gold. Yeah, you can see what happened on gold. You see that after this price was ranging around this level here, there was something that really happened. Price touched this 38.2 zone. Let me draw the feedback so that you guys can see. Yeah, this level. Price tapped it and broke that level, 38.2. It broke that level. So after breaking the level, it then did what? It just I told you, I said before in the pre-analysis that this 50% is not a strong level for me to even adhere to. So I won't be putting this 50% on my on my fib again, my fib settings again. So I will be removing it. That one's laid down. I'll be moving it. So now the significant level that is strong for me should be 61.8 level and 79. So and if it's not giving me any level like that, that means what's going to happen next now. So now in case of this gold that is selling, so the selling should be from here to this downside. I'm expecting price to drop to this level since the price choose to sell. So it broke this 30.2, and also do what it did, what it broke this level. So at this 20 pip stop loss, this is 20 pip stop loss, this level. So 1:9 risk to reward. That's very much. 1:9. It's very much realistic. It's realistic, but as well it is a very much risk to reward ratio. And you know what it seems to be like if you have this type of risk, even from year to year, is 1:5, and you have around 117,000. 117, that's around, you have to 1% back and it is what it is, you understand? So now the trade is just to sell. Let me check the US non-farm payroll. Actual, let me check. Let me reload the page again. Okay, so now you can see this is ranging. Probably I told you I have two options, you understand? So now it is 353k the actual. So it's it's very strong. It's very strong. Yeah, it's very strong. So it went down. So USD was strong, so it dropped. It's dropping. I'm anticipating to drop to this level here. I'm anticipating to drop to that level. So now I'm saying now, so if you should drop to this level, just hit TP final TP, just hit the final TP there, just get close to it, you understand? So now what I'm simply looking for is, I'm done trading for this week, since this pair refused to go in the way I predicted. So just leave it like that, just let it play out, you understand? Just let it play out. It's as simple as that. So now you can see it's ranging. The reason why now I remember the reason why I told you that the price might actually sell was because of this support. Let's check the 1 hour time frame to see what I was talking about. You see this support, this resistance rather. You see this resistance. It's rejected at that level. So that was why I was anticipating that it's probably going to sell after this ranging. And I said it yesterday while I was trading. I already said price will get to the top and do what? And trace back to the downside, and it did. It did today. It traced back to the downside, and it did exactly what I said yesterday, and did retrace. So now done for this week, done for today. All you have to do is just go and back test and study more on chart patterns, on trend lines, on everything that needs to be done. Yeah, so now if you are enjoying my content here on YouTube, please kindly like and subscribe to get more content. Thanks guys.